Have you been thinking of making a YouTube channel but don't want to show your face on videos? Well, I'm going to show you a lot of different resources that are really going to help you out. And to go a step further, if you don't believe you're a good speaker or you just don't want your voice to be on camera, I'm also going to show you how to get around that. So let's get started. First, you have to think of your niche. As an example, we're going to use a food channel. So that's going to be the niche used today. So the first website you can use has some great free content, but also has a paid feature, and that's canva.com. So Canva is not really for video creating, but you can make some really good templates and some really good thumbnails, some intros and outros. For example, if I put right here in the templates, I put food, and not only can I get some good templates, I might even find some B-roll here. So right here, this can be your intro, this can be your outro, just for an example, and then you can change this right here. Let's say this is, since my channel is called Smash Cut Media, we're gonna put Smash Cut Food, and we're just gonna put YouTube right here, right? So you have your template already laid out. So right here, I can do an effect, change that effect there. Okay, then I can download it. So it's gonna play that, Smash Cut Food, intro, outro, whatever we're doing, exotic street foods. This looks more of an outro here. All right, so you get the idea. And another thing Canva is good for, like I mentioned, you can also do thumbnails. So I actually use Canva for all my thumbnails. I'll use Canva or Photoshop, but usually I'll just use Canva because it's a quick go-to. See, these are all my thumbnails here on all my different videos for all my different channels. So like this one here, I can go in, I can make a copy if I wanted to, and I can just change the text if I have something similar. Smash cut, fill this in, smash cut chip bags. And then let's say I want to change the picture in the background, I can also change the picture. I can go to my uploads, or they do have backgrounds, they do have templates here. So we're going with food, right? So we're gonna go with food. Let's see this. Looks kind of cool. Have to change the layout here a little bit, but there it is. There's a quick little thumbnail. It took what, a minute to do? There's another thumbnail there, another cool little quick thumbnail. So if you want to help support the channel, I will have a link in my description for Canva. Let's move on to the next one. So this next one is really going to help you out with catching attention when creating videos. You can either use this as B-roll or you can use this as your A-roll, main footage. So anytime you're narrating footage, let's say you're doing your food channel, you're talking about how to make a certain dish, or you're talking about something in particular, you can go into the Doodly software and all these different templates will come up. So once those templates come up, you can pick one of those and it'll actually doodle it for you. What's cool is you can also change it. You can do like right here, it's on a chalkboard. So you can change that, you can change the colors, you can change the speed to match your narration. But check out the engagement here. If you're talking about a certain product, this will definitely keep your viewer watching a little bit longer because they just want to see, they're interested, right, of what's being drawn, what's being doodled on the screen. See, this one right here goes back to food. So what are they doing here? What are they making? So I will also have a link for Doodly in my description. Another good thing about Doodly is that you can actually record the whole video in Doodly and export it directly to YouTube. You don't need an external software. All right, Doodly, great software. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is storyblocks.com. And with this website, not only can you access a large number of stock downloads, you can also edit your videos all in one place. A lot of these templates are great for B-roll. With storyblocks.com, you will need a subscription. They do offer a basic, unlimited all access, and unlimited video package for $10, $20, or $30. The next one is placeit.net, which is kind of like canva.com. They have a lot of different YouTube templates. So what you can do here is actually upload your own images or your own B-roll, and they'll place all that together for you. So let's say we have that image. We're just gonna leave it as is. So right here, you're creating your own slideshow just by dropping in your own images. And you can definitely create a whole video just by dropping in images or B-roll content. And there's a ton of different templates here. So the next one, and one of my favorites, is videos. With videos, you can actually create all your videos in one place. You'll never need to start creating from scratch. So you can actually edit intros, outros, effects, and full videos on videos.com. How cool is that? You don't have to buy any template packs for your editing software. They have templates, they have all the different After Effects, they have everything you need to make a video all in one place. Look at this example here. This whole video, this whole piece right here, all these different templates, all these different effects, all of this was created with videos. So let's check out the pricing plans here. So for $97, you get a lifetime plan. All right, so the last one we're gonna check out today And this is gonna be your best friend as a content creator that doesn't wanna be seen on camera, or in some cases, doesn't wanna be heard on camera. Fiverr.com. So with Fiverr.com, you can do a host of different things. You can actually get your B-roll footage, you can get music composition, or if you want, you can actually have somebody on Fiverr make your video for you. You tell them what you're looking for, your niche, and they'll create it for you. There's no need for any type of editing software, any type of B-roll, anything like that. So we go to create YouTube video. This guy right here, I will create best cash cow YouTube videos. All right, so I'm gonna take off his sound there because I don't want to get copyrighted on this one, but check this out. He's using all different types of B-roll for his A-roll, his main footage, and he's just narrating over it, which is kind of cool because check this out, $10 and he'll make you a video including music, transitions, stock videos, stock images, title animation. So if you want to do 8 minutes, which will be where you can place ads anywhere in your video, they'd be $25, which is still not a bad deal. So with something like this, you don't even need to talk. You don't need to do anything. You're just paying $25 and they're creating the video for you. So with some of these video creators, it doesn't include narration. It's just for the actual video file. So when that's the case, you can also pay somebody on Fiverr to do your narration for you. Or if these guys create your video with the narration, but you don't like the way it sounds and you want a male voice or a female voice or a British voice or a young voice, an old voice, whatever it is, you're gonna find that on Fiverr to find the perfect narration voice for your video.
Hey, do you want top 10 or top 5 cash cow videos?
Sure do.
I am here to make creative content for you.
I recognize that song in the background and that is a non-copyrighted song, so that's a good thing. So with Fiverr, you can also pay somebody to create your intro, your outro, to make your actual channel logo, and it's really not that expensive at all. Look at this one, just what we were looking for, cooking videos or 200 YouTube shorts.
I will give you the best healthy recipe video for food bloggers, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok.
So when you're thinking of building up your channel to make some good money with monetization, you're gonna have to have an excess of 50 plus videos. So with 50 videos at $20 each, that's $1,000 right there. So that's just something to think about. But that might be just a drop in the bucket if you are getting good views on your videos, which equals more money in your AdSense account. So there it is. I hope this video helped you out. Good luck on your YouTube journey. Don't forget to check out all my other how to YouTube videos. And if you didn't notice, this video was done without my face being shown at all. So yes, it is possible. So thanks for watching. Check you on the next one.